How to reset Instagram algorithm. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, let's learn how to reset your Instagram Explore page. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on Instagram's official homepage. For your information, this page is also called the Explore page. Tap on the circle with a profile picture at the bottom. Then, tap on the hamburger menu at the top. Now scroll down until you find the What You See section. Over here, select Suggested Content. At the very bottom, you will see an option for Reset Suggested Content. Please note that some new features on Instagram roll out gradually and might not be available to everyone at the same time. So you may not see this option at the moment. However, if you are watching this video after a long time, it may be available to you. If this feature is available to you, tap on it, then this page will open up. You can read the details available over here. In summary, here is written that Instagram suggests content based on factors like who you follow and your activity on the Explore page itself. Instagram has mentioned that resetting won't change who you follow or your ad topics, and neither will your data be deleted. Your suggestions will be reset, and you may see different content from what you usually see. However, it will be personalized as you like, share, and interact with posts. With this note in mind, tap on the next button. Then, this page will open up. From here, you can review who you follow, your ad topics, and the accounts or posts that are mostly shown in your feed. If you wish, you can unfollow the accounts you no longer want to see before resetting. Finally, tap the Reset Suggested Content button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about resetting your suggested content. Please note that this action cannot be undone. If you are sure about it, tap Reset Suggested Content and boom! You have successfully reset your Instagram algorithm. Now you will see personalized suggestions and it will keep on improving as you interact with posts. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.